IT leaders need solutions that support digital innovation as they migrate to hybrid and multi-cloud environments. Fortinet provides secure on-premises connectivity between locations and Azure-based applications. Our combined solution with Tata Communications Transformation Services offers fast and reliable connectivity with Azure Virtual WAN. It features fast and automated deployment. With Azure Functions and FortiGate REST API, we can automatically provision new connectivity requests, and you can add or update a branch in less than 30 minutes. And dynamic application-aware path selection. Fortinet SD-WAN actively measures packet loss, latency and jitter of each application, and utilizes the best available WAN link to deliver optimal quality of experience. This is especially needed when mixing between private link connectivity via express route and IPsec VPN connectivity over the internet to Azure vHub.
This combined solution with Azure Virtual WAN helps customers to simplify on-ramp to cloud